The T67 pin-on-disc machine has the classic configuration of a pin or ball loaded vertically downwards onto a horizontally rotating disc. It also accommodates a variety of other test geometries. The principal features of the unit are very rigid pin and disc carriers to allow nominally flat on flat contacts, and the use of pneumatic loading on the pin to reduce inertial loading effects in the contact. This feature is an important difference from other pin-on-disc designs that use dead weights and a load beam. The test disc is mounted on the machine spindle and secured by a central screw. The spindle is driven through a pulley belt by a vector-controlled AC motor mounted in the machine frame. The motor has encoder feedback to ensure stable running speeds and a large turn-down ratio. The pin carrier assembly consists of a massive aluminium block pivoted about a vertical axis through its centre. The track radius is set by moving the pin carrier assembly radially. A strain gauge load cell is mounted at the rear of the pin carrier block, preventing the block pivoting about its axis, hence sensing the friction force exerted on the pin. The low rotational inertia of the carrier block about the axis ensures a good signal bandwidth for friction measurement. The test pin is inserted into a collet clamp on the loading piston. An inline load cell measures the applied load and provides feedback for load control. Both steady and fluctuating loads can be applied. Movement of the loading piston is measured with an LVDT as an indication of wear. The pin loading capsule is electrically isolated from the carrier block, and a slip ring is provided on the machine spindle, allowing measurement of contact potential via a Lunn-Fury circuit. A sliding contact thermocouple is used to sense disc temperature. Various heating options are available, including a heated non-rotating fluid bath for lubricated tests at temperatures up to 200 centigrade, a hot air gun system for dry tests at temperatures up to 400 centigrade, an induction heating system for temperatures up to 750 centigrade in atmosphere. The reciprocating pin-on-plate adapter is a complete sub-assembly that mounts on top of the drive spindle. Pure sinusoidal reciprocating motion is generated by a Scotch yoke mechanism that can be adjusted to give strokes from 0 to 50 millimeters. The maximum frequency at 50 millimeter stroke is 5 Hz. Higher frequencies can be achieved at shorter strokes. Integral heaters allow tests to be run at temperatures up to 400 centigrade. The pin-on-V block block-on-ring adapter allows tests to be run in pin-on-V block test geometry and the twin block-on-ring geometry, with a test specimen loaded on either side of a rotating ring. The block specimens may either be flat or conformal, allowing journal bearing type tests to be performed. To find out more about this product, please contact Phoenix Tribology.